show you how to use the R statistics language without touching the keyboard, using a purely graphical interface. The trick is to use the DataDesk Statistics and Graphics program as our graphical interface. I'm going to work in RStudio, but instead I'm going to open DataDesk first. In DataDesk, I can open a data file easily. Here I have one on the desktop that's about roller coasters. DataDesk represents variables as icons on the desktop. To give a command, choose a command from the toolbar. Let's say we want to compute correlations, and drag variables into the window that it opens. There are correlations. Now, if I'd like to do that in R, I go to the Hyperview menu, the little menu in the upper left corner here, and I export. Now first, I'm going to export the data. DataDesk will, I'm going to put it in my work folder, DataDesk will clean the data to R standards. So there are no variable names that R is unhappy with, and no contents of the variables with funny characters that might make R unhappy. Once we've done that, we can export the R commands, put them in a file. Now we've put them in our work folder, so I'll open the work folder. And here are the R commands. I will open that. That will open RStudio, and RStudio will know where to read things now. Here's our data set. Here's the command to compute the correlation. So if I run that, I will get my correlations here. Now I can add to this. This is an R program, so I can extend it. I can go back to DataDesk, and let's say I want to look at the scatter plot that would go with one of these correlations. Now in DataDesk, you can click almost anywhere and something interesting will happen. I'll click on this correlation here between speed and length, and DataDesk will offer to make the scatter plot that goes with that. And you see there are some concerning points here. I'd like to send this over to my R program as well. Now, since I've already exported my data, I can go directly to the clipboard with my R commands. Come over to R. Down here, I will paste in the stuff on the clipboard. Here are the commands to make the scatter plot. And here's my plot. Now I can continue doing that. I can edit my R program and extend it. And I can continue adding to it commands from DataDesk using the graphical interface. Or if I wanted to develop a whole R program, I could do a batch export. Now in a batch export, I would simply take each of these windows using their icon alias up here and drag the icons in and build a whole program, and then I could save that whole R script. You'll notice that at no time during this demonstration have I touched the keyboard. This is an entirely graphical interface to get you going in R, to get you started. It doesn't do everything, but it's enough to get you started and save you a lot of looking up time.